Hi everyone, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a song called Every Breath You Take, written by Sting and performed by the Police. It was from their 1983 Synchronicity album, and it's spent an astonishing 8 weeks at #1 on the Billboard Hot 100. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this hit song. Okay, so there are 4 very easy chords to play in this particular song. Just a quick note, I do like to sing this song in a little bit higher key, so I actually put my capo on the 1st fret. I do a lot of songs with my capo there. For whatever reason, that key works well for me. Nonetheless, 4 easy chords. Let's have a look at them right now. First chord, G major. Then there's an E minor. There's that C add 9, and then a D chord. That's it. Those are the only 4 chords in the entire song. Let's look at it again. G major, E minor, C add 9, and a D. All right. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little strumming to this great hit. Okay, so let's take a few minutes now and look at the strumming technique and the chord progression for this song. Now, I do a little bit of palming in this particular song. Now, for those of you that don't know what that is, that's when you mute your strings with this fattier tissue of your hand, effectively making this sound. Let's just use a G. Obviously, a G chord, when you strum it, sounds full, rich, and when you palm it, it mutes it a little bit. So this is a palming muted G chord. So I do a little bit of both in this particular song. I just find that it's very effective, and I like the way it turns out. You certainly don't have to palm it. You can just simply strum the chords all the way through the song. Certainly nothing wrong with that. Let's take you through the chord progression now so you have a general understanding of the song. Here we go. It starts, of course, with the G major chord. Every breath you take, every move you make, every vow you break, the step you take, I'll be watching you. And that's basically it. That's the chord progression through most of the song. With the exception, there's a bridge in the chorus. Are slightly different, but of course they use the same chords. Now, when you palm it, it's going to sound something like this. And every breath you take, every move you make, every vow you break, step you take, I'll be watching you. Okay, that's it. That's how you kind of palm chords as well. I use a combination of both in this song. As we play through it, you'll actually see what I'm talking about. Okay, so now we're going to mic it up. We're going to use a little bit of a backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. Every breath you take, every move you make,
every single day. Every word you say, game you play, night you stay, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you see, you belong to me. My poor heart aches with every step that you take, every move you make, every vow you break, the smile you fake, claim you stay, I'll be watching you. Since you gone, lost without a trace, I dream at night, can only see your face. Look around, but it's you I can't replace. This cold, I long for your embrace. I keep crying, baby, baby, please. Every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stay, I'll be watching you. Every move you make, every step you take, I'm watching you.
And there you have it, Every Breath You Take, performed by the Police and written by Sting. It's a fantastic song. We'll certainly visit the Police again in the future. I do know a couple of their tunes, and I'd like to share them with you. Thank you for tuning into my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.